जय हिंद दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है इस सेशन में। मुझे आशा है कि आप कुछ लाभ की प्राप्ति करके ही यहाँ से जाएंगे। हम लोग गोल एंड गोल की बात करते रहते हैं, खास करके सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग पीपल, और यहाँ तक भी कहते हैं कि गोल फिक्स होना चाहिए। कुछ लोग तो यहाँ तक बोल के जाते हैं कि गोल स्मार्ट गोल होना चाहिए। ठीक है ना भाई, गोल भी होना चाहिए, स्मार्ट गोल भी होना चाहिए, लेकिन आप ये भी तो समझाएं कि स्मार्ट गोल क्या होता है, किस चिड़िया का नाम स्मार्ट गोल होता है। कहने और सुनने से ही काम नहीं बनता है। प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट यू आर अटरिंग, you have to cite the case studies. If need arises, you have to do the mock drill. You apply all the instrument which helps your team people, your people, as per your requirement, and your requirement is smart goal. What is the smart goal? That you have to explain. I was making some research and I found certain things. Eminent personality has written, what is smart goal? Character of smart goal. मेरे सेल्स और मार्केटिंग के दोस्तों, समझने की कोशिश करें, वरना गोल तो गोल और गोल हो जाएगा। आप नहीं अटेंड कर पाएंगे उसको, ना आप ना जिसने गोल फिक्स किया है वो। Certain characteristics are there in the smart goal. First characteristics, let us share, that is derived from smart word itself. The characteristics does not come out of the word. It comes from the, each word is made, the word is combination of the letter, and if you bifurcate word into letter, you get the characteristics. Smart, S, smart. S out of smart, S stands for smart. मीन्स गोल आपका ऐसा हो जो कि स्मार्ट हो. इट इज नॉट डम्प्ड, इट इज नॉट कॉपीड एंड कैरीड फ्रॉम समवेयर. द गोल सेट commensurating to your product and services should be smart. M, measurable. Any smart goal should be measurable. It can be counted, it can be quantified. It should not be left vague. With the due care, smart goal says that make me measurable, at each point of time. पाँच टन बेचा, 3 टन बेचा, 2 टन बेचा, 10 टन बेचा, 10 नग बेचा, 20 नग बेचा, 1000 नग बेचा. नग मीन्स यूनिट, 1 यूनिट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. लेकिन इट शुड बी मेजरेबल. थर्ड इज द अटेनेबल. Goal can be attained. It should not happen that goal is going beyond to your control. You are not able to, at the first instant itself, you are not agreeing with the goal set for you. Or it should be realistic. You should have the realistic data. It should depend on the real market movement, that really it happens. Really it can be attended. Really it can be presented in the market, and thus goal can be achieved. T, timely. It should not happen that हम अटेंड कर लेंगे, I will meet it. It is unrealistic goal. ठीक है, हम अटेंड कर लेंगे, I will meet those goal. Don't worry. Is it not you are cheating yourself? Is it not? The word is bad, but it is impacting very good. It is impacting very good. It is hurting you, but it is bringing back you on the rational working style. If you have got the SMART goal, measurable goal, attainable goal, realistic goal, then why you cannot deliver in time? Why you cannot deliver within the time? Think it. Think it twice before you accept it. Don't take it easy. How many places, how many organizations, this goal you will take it very casual. ठीक है सर, आप गोल बना दीजिए, हमको दे दीजिए, हम साइन कर देंगे और हम जो प्रयास करेंगे. How many organizations you will play like this? Because you are in sales and marketing, goal, SMART goal is not going to leave you alone. Without goal, you cannot attain anything in your life. You cannot achieve anything in your life. Maybe 2-3 months you can get your fixed salary, but definitely you cannot give the incentive. But in the sales and marketing, people don't work on the fixed salary. People always say fixed salary is my saving, and the income out of my incentive is my salary. They earn, they mint the money 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 10 times, many more fold income they create compared to the fixed salary. So please understand the SMART goal which is not dumped, which is not loaded on you, created and made out of your potential. Work continuously, you will achieve it. It's my bless, it's my support to you. Wherever you fail, wherever you feel weak, I am ready. I am not only a trainer. I am meant to move with you in the street. I am meant to move to your client and represent your organization as a salesman, as a marketing man. And I will show it to you that how you will create the win-win situation. My dear friend, a small etiquette deferred by you goes in the notice of the client, and maybe because of that he is not interested to talk to you. You are going, क्या हरीश भाई कैसे हो कैसे हो कैसे हो, हरीश भाई ठंडा पिलाओ ना। इस तरीके के जो आपने एटिकेट मैनर दिखा करके उनका दिल जीता, आपने उनका ठंडा नहीं पिया। लेकिन कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो क्लाइंट के चॉइस नहीं बन पाते हैं और वापस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आ जाते हैं। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्या करेगा? ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आपको गोल अचीव करने के लिए रखा है। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गया कि गोल हेवी हो रहा है, गोल सरकास्टिक है, गोल अनसाइंटिफिक है, रियलिटी पे नहीं बना हुआ है, उसमें ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आपको मदद करेगा। लेकिन अगर आप सोचें कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आपको लैब पर बैठाल करके सैलरी भी देगा, इंसेंटिव भी देगा, आपको मजबूर इंसान समझ के आपको सिंपैथी एक्सटेंड करेगा, नो माय डियर फ्रेंड, it is not possible at all. Any organization is not made to do all these kind of the things. It is you who has to carry yourself. It is you who has to drive yourself. It is you who has to motivate yourself. It is you who has to earn, book more and more order, and it is you to earn multifold incentive and multifold award and reward. Thank you very much. Give attention. Whatever I was able to talk to you, out of this, even if one or two word you can catch and practice, you will win the situation. It is my challenge. Rest I am available. Whenever you say, whenever our organization wants to take the benefit of my consultancy, I will come one-to-one with you and represent your client. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.